is going on, my Sasamoto family? It's been a while since I've uploaded anything up onto my channel, and with great reason for that. A lot has gone on. I've been riding Onyx a lot lately. Rode her a few days ago, yesterday, like she's extremely dirty. I got home late last night from work. There's just a lot going on, that a lot of unfortunate things that have occurred, but still riding Onyx. She is still a beast. So but yeah, let's go get this cold start, because I know you guys love the cold start, and Onyx loves the cold start also. Let's get it. Oh baby, yes, she sounds so good, and I totally forgot to put on my earplugs. I was like, she sounds extra loud today. Yeah, Onyx is ready to go, and so am I. Let's get it. All right, so so nice to be out. It is a gorgeous day here in Florida, ladies and gentlemen. The weather is absolutely phenomenal. But let me just go ahead by starting off by saying I think I might just go local. There's been a lot going on. So starting off with this week, long story short, I end up getting a bunch of text messages from our group chat. Fallen rider end up in the hospital. You know, we don't know how severe it is. People are speculating at this point. I hop in the car after just waking up. I slapped on some clothes, went to the hospital, and waited out there. Come to find out that one of our brothers had passed away from a motorcycle accident. Car cut right in front of him. You know, we lost a very good person. He was you know, even though I've only known him for a year, it was just enough to make a pretty big impact in my life, because he was just that much of an incredible person. You know, my interactions with him were always funny. He was cool, down to earth kind of guy, family man, leaving behind a son and a daughter. And the other unfortunate part with it, about that, was that he was riding with his girlfriend. And a few hours later, she ended up passing away also. So today will be his funeral. I've definitely told my job that I'm not missing this for nothing. You know, this is a brother who deserves the respect. You know, for me to at least say goodbye. I want to say goodbye to him. I want to be able to, you know, be there one last time. I'm not really good when it comes to expressing, when it comes to death. When something severe like that happens, I kind of stay in shock. You know, when you're going through tough times, it really does a number on you. Oh man, it's so much I got in my brain. Everybody's tuning into Sasamoto. There goes everybody from the OBL crew. OBL, baby. OBL for life. We about to head out. Say goodbye to our fallen brother.
Tops of the mornings to you. It's Sunday fun day. Are you ready? Shit. Where y'all at? Y'all missing the party? Test ride.
Like a motherfucker. Hey. Hey, day 4.
Day 4. So, what's up? We got free food. We got free test rides.
Hey.
Where y'all at?
Hey, I posted the bikes already running, man. There's like 6-7 bikes already running.
Yeah, there's only like one ride left if you're gonna hurry your asses up. All right. Top of the morning to you. Getting ready to go out here. Get the little ride in before the sprinkle hits us. You know, it looks like it rains on the way. Getting ready to go. Oh yeah, you know what I'm talking about. What's up, Mikey? Good morning, sir. Ready to ride? Oh yeah, popping colors. Any of you brothers awake, just sitting in your bed like the other brother there, got the bed syndrome, listening to me talk to you right now? You know, get out of bed. You can do it. Is it November? The asteroid's going to come. We got to ride now before we burn up. Alright. Later, y'all. If you don't ride when you ride, be safe. Everybody have a great Sunday fun day, baby. Yeah. Rock on. Shit. Top of the morning to you, brothers. How's everybody doing? Everybody have a lovely day. All right. Yo, what is going on? We're here. I'm here to initiate. What is going on? There's nobody here. Where's this Martin? Be there, be square. Talking mad shit. Let's go, bud. Oh, Petey. Where's my Petey? Oh, my Petey. Oh my God, my friend. You must bring your brother a meme and fucking bring us 2-hump camel. I want a 3-hump camel. Oh my goodness. Tops of the morning to you. Hope everybody's having a lovely day. Be safe out there. God bless. Later.